All right, today we're gonna bring a bathtub. We're gonna take a look at it. The beautiful bathtub. It's a sit-in bathtub. If you guys can see it, it's an external bathtub. It's not a wall mounted. It has plenty of base, and we're gonna show you a little bit more on the inside. But first, look at the overfill. Beautiful. It's just a line here, but then we have our actual drainage right here. Simple, beautiful. And if you style it with an actual faucet, even better. This is a really long, deep pool, bathtub that you guys can see, and it has a little extra step, and this is to sit down. So this is perfect for those that are want to just soak themselves in there and relax and have a good time and just enjoy yourself or let the stress out. This is perfect. So it's plenty of space. You even put your back and sit in here and even squat down. So you could actually put a base if you want, a cushion. It's optional. But when you set it up with a faucet in here, look how beautiful it looks like. You know, it's just combination of a great faucet. So when people come into your bathroom, look how gorgeous this bathroom looks like. Beautiful bathtub, nice sit-in bathtub, acrylic, beautiful base, white color that you guys see, beautiful all around, especially with the chromed out drainage. And then you get yourself a nice faucet to match it. Beautiful, easy to use, easy to set up.